Perfect.
If one tomato seed can grow 15 plants, and each tomato on that plant has 30 seeds, do the math. That's what, 4,500 or something like that seeds that started with one seed. But if you don't do that, if you're not hands-on in the process, that doesn't happen. They're talking about there's a food shortage in different stages and what have you. Now you got these people prophesizing that there ain't gonna be no food.
You know what they call that?
That's amazing.
You know, they call that the three sisters.
The three sisters.
Yep.
Corn, bean,
And squash.
and squash.
Yep.
You can open the door.
Come on in. She's waiting.
Other door.
So how many of these recipes for the Sunday dinners?
As many, well,
How many
the book's probably going to have about 20 or 30. And it's going to continue to expand because, you know, there's not just one way to fix any one thing. You know, I mean, just so much stuff you can do. What is Sunday dinner? Sunday dinner is a cultural opportunity for us to regain health through food that is so delicious. Oh my goodness. I tasted that kale and I was like, oh, anyway. So that's just to give you an idea of the energy that you're going to be immersed in when you come into this experience. And this experience is for you, your family, your entire community. And the focal point is weaving health back into culture. We have so much illness, so much disease that really needs to just disappear. And it's not that hard. That's the thing. Sunday dinner is an easy way, an easy segue to health through the community and building around a conversation that is genuine, sincere, and from the heart. So we want to invite you to this opportunity to become a better version of yourself, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and communally. Right now, in this time. Welcome to Sunday dinner.